With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is given: a ball of mass m is moving horizontally at a speed v collide with the bob of a simple pendulum at rest. The mass of the bob is also m. If the collision is perfectly inelastic, this is inelastic, and both balls sticks, the height to which the two balls rise after the collision will be given by. So here we have to find the height to which two balls rise after the collision. So firstly here we can see that this is a simple pendulum. This is a simple pendulum, and here it's a bob and ball of mass m. This is a ball of mass m is moving with velocity v, and this bob of simple pendulum at rest, and this mass is also m. And here, if the collision is perfectly inelastic and both balls sticks like this, so we have to find this height. So apply conservation of linear momentum. So equation will come: apply conservation of linear momentum. So here equation will come: mv is equal to 2mu. Now u is equal to v by 2. Now here using work energy theorem. So here we can write a half 2mu square minus 2mgh equal to 0. Now here we can write h is equal to u square by 2g, and u value is v by 2. Now put here, so it is equal to v square by 8g. So height, this is the height to which the two balls rise after the collision. So this is solution to this question, guys. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.